In this course, I'm going to learn how to do the basics, how cells and columns work, how rows work. I'm going to teach you about text wrapping and how to use the ribbon. Okay, you'll also learn how to create, delete, and rename sheets. I'll teach you how to use multiple functions like sum, average, VLOOKUP, SUMIF, COUNTIF, and a few more. Okay, I'll also teach you how to use tables, and I'll teach you how to use charts. You'll also learn how to format and filter your work. I'm going to teach you how to use shapes, how to edit pictures as well. I'll show you some basic shortcuts in Excel, and I'll also show you how to review your work. And you'll also learn how to make lists and how to use data in many different ways. And I'm going to show you how to use currency and how to work out sales and percentages. This course includes workbooks and assignments. Okay, I hope you enjoy the course.